Intro. Welcome to Real Money Hidden Truth channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting technologies shaping our world right now, virtual reality. If you've ever wondered what VR really is, how it works, and why everyone is talking about it, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss our upcoming lessons on future tech. Part 1. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality, also called VR, is a computer-generated simulation that places you inside a digital world. Instead of just watching a screen, you step into it. With a VR headset, you can turn your head, move around, and feel like you are inside a new reality. Part 2. How does it work? VR headsets create a 3D environment around your eyes. Motion controllers track your hands so you can grab or touch things. Some devices even add vibrations, called haptics, so you can feel what's happening. Together, they trick your brain into believing you are somewhere else, whether that's flying through space, walking on the beach, or exploring a game world. Part 3. Why is VR important? Virtual reality isn't just for gaming. It's changing how we learn, work, and even heal. Education. Students can take virtual field trips to space, museums, or ancient history. Healthcare. Doctors train on VR surgery before real operations. Business. Companies hold meetings in VR rooms instead of Zoom calls. Therapy. VR helps people overcome phobias, like fear of heights or flying. Part 4. The fun side of VR. Of course, VR is also about fun. You can play action-packed games, explore virtual cities, or even watch concerts as if you were standing front row. It's the closest thing we have to teleportation. Part 5. The future of VR. Experts believe VR will be part of our daily lives in the future. Imagine shopping in a virtual mall, attending school in VR classrooms, or exploring space from your living room. This is not science fiction, it's happening right now. Outro. Call to action. Now you know what virtual reality is, how it works, and why it's so powerful. Would you try living a day inside VR? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow, we'll explore another amazing future technology you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching and welcome to the future.